Ready to ditch the chaos and supercharge your law firm's efficiency? Let's jump straight into Rocket Matter and unlock the power of streamlined case management, starting with the dashboard, your central hub. Notice the clear overview of upcoming events, tasks, and important case updates. This customizable dashboard lets you personalize what matters most to your day-to-day workflow. Now, let's create a new matter. Click on the New Matter button. Fill in the required fields, client name, matter description, and responsible attorney. You can also add custom fields for specific case details, ensuring all critical information is captured right from the start. Once the matter is created, you'll land on the Matter Details screen. Here, you can add tasks, schedule events, and upload relevant documents. Notice how everything is organized within the specific matter, keeping your case files neat and easily accessible. Click on the Task button to assign tasks for the matter. Fill in the information necessary and assign it to a member of your team. Let's track your time and expenses. Click on the Time and Expenses tab. Add time entries by specifying the date, time spent, and description of the work performed. Similarly, add expenses, including receipts and related details. This accurate tracking ensures proper billing and profitability analysis. Finally, generate insightful reports to analyze your firm's performance. Navigate to the Reports section and select the desired report type, such as timekeeping reports or client balance summaries. Customize the report parameters and generate accurate data-driven insights. Rocket Matter integrates with your favorite legal software tools like Clio, LawPay, and QuickBooks seamlessly. Enjoy the features of all your favorite legal tools without ever having to leave the platform.